Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Ram 1500 TRX Crew Cab in flame red. With HID headlamps, LED fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, electronic locking rear axle, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 6,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, spray-in bed liner by MOPAR, 6.2-liter supercharged V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P6145.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.